Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone battery draining too fast in iOS 18.1. If your iPhone battery is draining quickly, these steps will help you improve its performance and extend its life. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Battery. Here, you can review which apps consume the most battery under the section called Battery Usage by App. Identify apps that are using too much power and consider limiting their usage. In the same menu, toggle on Low Power Mode. This feature reduces background activity and helps save battery life. Go back to Settings and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Disable it for apps that you don't need running in the background. This will stop those apps from refreshing when they're not in use. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access your control center. Reduce the brightness slider to lower your screen brightness. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, tap on Display and Brightness, and enable Auto Brightness, which adjusts your screen brightness automatically based on your environment. After that, go to Settings again and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services and you'll see a list of apps that use your location. Disable location access for apps that don't need it. You can choose Never or While using the app depending on your preference. Finally, check for software updates by going to Settings, tapping on General, and then Software Update. Apple often releases updates that include battery optimizations, so keeping your iPhone updated can help improve battery performance. That's it. That's how you can solve iPhone battery draining too fast in iOS 18.1. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.